First at 6, we get a warning from pediatricians today as we head toward the 4th of July weekend. More kids are being diagnosed with COVID-19. Cook Children's in Fort Worth specifically tells us they have seen their numbers more than double in recent weeks. Our Robbie Owens gets us underway at 6.
Summer fun in the face of COVID.
Just social distancing and just trying to keep everyone safe.
Limited and often tentative.
We've obviously made some plans, but certainly those plans could change.
And with 4 kids, I don't want them exposed. I'd rather be more precautious.
With infections spiking across North Texas, doctors say parents are wise to be cautious.
Is that we want everyone to have a great 4th of July and enjoy the holiday, but those large events are going to be a concern for us.
Dr. Nicholas Rister is a pediatric infectious disease physician at Cook Children's in Fort Worth. He says children have a more positive prognosis, but they're still able to spread the disease to older family members who are more vulnerable.
There are plenty of folks out there that this is scary, and especially on the severe end with being intubated or being in the ICUs, that's very dangerous. And that's the reason we're doing this.
Do symptoms present any differently in children?
This is still primarily a respiratory virus, but in kids, you will see a lot more of things with the rashes and abdominal pain, diarrhea, just general mom or dad, everything hurts.
And while those symptoms are common for non-COVID illnesses, Dr. Rister says parents usually know when something just isn't right, so trust your instincts.
I think we are not ready for a full-blown summer like before. It's too soon.
Robbie Owens, CBS 11 News.
We don't want to cancel the 4th of July. I mean, that's a huge holiday for all of us, especially right now. But we can't ignore that coronavirus is here, and we have to make sure that this 4th of July looks a little bit different than it has in the past.
At JPS Hospital in Fort Worth, and they are looking ahead to the holiday weekend and urging people to avoid large celebrations. It's tempting. JPS is treating 87 patients today with COVID-19. That number climbs to over 100 if you include the cases that are under investigation. The hospital still has bed space, but doctors are concerned about the virus spreading through holiday parties and gatherings and crowds. Like other spots around the country, JPS is seeing younger patients now. They say in their 20s. They're often not as sick as when they compare to patients they saw earlier this year, but they can transmit just as easily. A look at the number of COVID cases now across each county here in North Texas. We'll give you a broad look. More than 1,100 new infections in Tarrant and Dallas County combined today. Dallas County now more than 21,800 confirmed cases. Tarrant inching closer to 13,000 in total. Collin County today jumping to over 3,000 cases. Denton County almost 3,000, 2,951 since the start of the pandemic. Again, these are not active, but since the start. There is a new drive-through COVID-19 testing site that's now open in Dallas County. We wanted to tell you about new location at University of Dallas in Irving. This testing site will replace that American Airlines testing location that closed down yesterday. The hours for the Irving location, right now it's Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. until 5 p.m.